So this is what it looks like after, well, mounting this or attaching these two and these two here to the side panel. So yeah, they can go pretty far. Actually, they can go to, well, the very end of the screw or the screw. So that means, yeah, you can go pretty far, actually further than I thought I could go. And then these drawers, well, they fit in the back. I need to take them out because I need to fit in the fridge here, like these two. So just a quick reminder. So this one is the sink, and then here is the slow stove that we put here, and here is where the faster stove is supposed to go. So I'll put that in, and then here's like dishwash soap. There's baking soda here. So all this useful stuff, and actually I need to clean it up a little bit. So I'll get to that too, and actually put this one back in. So get to that. Talk to you soon.